and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lin Health Europe. Today we're going to talk about hair transplant donor area recovery and why it matters. Stay with us to learn more. Now let's go and see what is the donor area and why it matters. The donor area is the zone usually at the back or sides of the head where healthy hair follicles are extracted for transplantation. At Lin Health, preserving the integrity of this area is crucial because it's not just where the journey begins, it's where your natural hair regrowth also continues. Now let's talk about FUE, minimal trauma, quick healing. We use the FUE, follicular unit extraction method, which means no stitches, no large scars, and a much faster recovery. Tiny punches extract individual follicles, leaving behind micro dots that begin to close within 24 to 48 hours. At Lin Health, we use ultra-fine tools to reduce trauma and speed up healing. Now, how to care for the donor area after the surgery. The first 72 hours are key. Keep the area clean, dry, and untouched. We'll show you exactly how to wash gently, avoid friction, and use cooling sprays or healing serums provided in your Lin Health Recovery Kit. No scratching, tight hats, or vigorous activity during this stage. Redness, sensitivity, and scabbing are normal. You may notice redness, light swelling, or tiny scabs in the donor zone, all signs that your skin is healing naturally. These effects usually fade within 5 to 10 days. At Lin Health, we check in daily during your stay and offer remote follow-up even after you return home. So you might want to know, when will it fully heal and look normal? Most patients see full healing of the donor area in 10 to 14 days, and hair begins growing back by week 3. By 1 to 2 months, it looks completely normal. The small extraction points become virtually invisible, especially when the hair grows over them. Long-term donor care equals long-term success. Your donor area is a limited resource, and we take that seriously. At Lin Health, we extract only what's needed to preserve density and aesthetics for the future. With proper aftercare, your donor zone will stay healthy, strong, and ready, just in case you want another session down the line. Now, donor area recovery is quick, safe, and well managed, especially when handled by experts. At Lin Health, we treat every follicle with care and every patient with respect, because your hair deserves precision and your journey deserves peace of mind. Thank you for watching this video about the importance of the donor area recovery. If you liked this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions that you have in the comment section below. We hope to see you soon.